If you're in print on demand or e-commerce and you're still using boring plain product images, this video is going to change how you do things. Kittl just dropped something really exciting. They've added a new AI-powered animation feature, and yes, I said animation, that actually lets you bring your product designs and mock-ups to life as videos. No Photoshop skills, no expensive equipment, just Kittl, a few clicks, and you've got content that stops people mid-scroll. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works and, more importantly, how you can use it to level up your print-on-demand game. Let's get into it. So, first, a quick breakdown of what we're actually talking about here. Kittl has introduced an AI animation feature powered by Grok AI and Make It Move. What this does is take your still product design or visual, something you've already created or uploaded, and turn it into a short animated video or moving visual. Now, why does this matter? Think about it. On platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Etsy, or even Shopify, motion content gets significantly more engagement than static images, right? So if you're running ads, posting on social media, or even just trying to make your Etsy listing stand out, having a moving product visual is a huge advantage. And Kittl didn't just stop at animation. The feature actually supports a few different use cases, including creating high-quality product designs, generating product visuals and mock-ups, creating lifestyle and Photoshop-style imagery. This is super good. And then building brand marketing assets. Now, in this video, we're specifically going to look at two of those, creating a high-quality product design and the one I'm most excited about for print-on-demand sellers, creating product visuals and mock-ups. So stick with me. All right, let's jump into the first demo. I'm inside Kittl right now, and what I want to do is create a design, let's say a two-piece, and then animate it. So you click on New Project and choose standard size or go with your preferred. All right, once you're on this page, the first thing you need to do is click on this small icon here to upload your design. I already have my design uploaded. This is the two-piece set I'm currently testing on my store. Now, let me show you exactly how you can bring something like this to life. Next, click on this box right here, select Generate Image, and enter your prompt. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even something simple like, create a dark-skinned model wearing this outfit works perfectly fine. That's it. Keep in mind, choosing the right model during image generation will significantly affect your final result. So be intentional with your selection. Once everything is set, just click Generate and give it a moment to process. And there you have it. Woo! The AI generated both a male and a female model. That was really smart. And this looks super real. Both the design and the fabric texture from the reference image remains the same, right? Now to access the animation feature, head over here and select Generate Video. Next, choose the image you want to appear in the first frame. From this point, you can control how you want the design to move. I already got my prompt using ChatGPT, which makes the process even faster and more precise. You'll also notice the Grok AI option available right here. Once everything is set, click Generate and let it do its thing. And just like that, within seconds, the design is fully animated. This is the kind of content you could easily use in a social media post, a product ad, or even as a banner for your Etsy store. Did you notice the movement? You can almost feel the texture of the fabric. It adds so much realism. This is really impressive. I'll repeat the same process for the female model, just adjusting the pronouns and slightly modifying the background description. And there you go. Man, that's a 10 out of 10 across the board. I absolutely love that walk. It looks so natural and premium. Now, let me show you another animation style I've been using lately. This one is more high level and gives that professional ad style finish. It's called Ghost Mannequin. This feature is perfect if you want a clean studio quality animated look for your product without showing a full model. It gives your design that floating, structured effect that really highlights the fit and details. And don't worry, I've included all the prompts I used in the description box below. You can literally copy and paste them to get started right away, okay? If you're finding value in this tutorial, please consider hitting the like button. It really helps the algorithm share this video with more people. Okay, this is the part I really want to focus on, because if you're in print on demand, this is where things get really good. So here's the workflow. Most persons use pprint or maybe Printify to fulfill their print on demand products, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, you name it. And the challenge that a lot of POD sellers face is that your product mockups can look a little generic, right? Because everyone has access to the same Printify mockups. So here's how Kittl changes the game. You probably already know that Kittl offers product design templates you can work with, right? But now with this new feature, you can generate an animated product mockup directly within your workflow. No need to switch platforms. Something like this. So this is basically a lifestyle visual of a product in motion. You can work with these templates to get similar result, content that feels modern and ad ready. And the best part, these templates are highly customizable. You can tweak the styles and really make it your own, okay? And that's it. So back to my initial creations. Now I have an animated mock-up. My design is actually on a product in a lifestyle style setting. This looks like something a brand with a full creative team would produce, but I just made it in a few minutes on Kittl. Now I can take this directly to my Printify store. I can use it as my main product listing image, as a social media post, or in a Meta or TikTok ad. The visual quality here is the kind of thing that builds trust with buyers and actually converts. And here's the key thing. When you're competing on platforms like Etsy or running pod ads, your visuals are everything. This feature basically gives you a creative edge without needing to hire a designer or videographer. So let me just quickly zoom out and talk about why I think this feature is actually a big deal for people like us. E-commerce sellers, print-on-demand folks, affiliate marketers building brands. Number one, content creation just got faster. You don't need to outsource your creative assets anymore. Kittl handles everything from design to animated visual in one platform. Number two, your products look more premium. Animated visuals signal quality. Customers perceive animated product content as more professional, and that impacts purchasing decisions. Number three, you stand out. If everyone else selling similar products is using the same static Printify mockups and you show up with a polished moving product visual, that's a competitive advantage you can use immediately, okay? And number four, it's cost effective. Think about what you'd spend hiring someone to produce video content or animated ads. With this platform, you're doing it yourself in minutes. And honestly, I think it's one of the most useful updates for print-on-demand and e-commerce sellers that I've seen in a while. If you haven't tried Kittl yet, I'll drop the link in the description. Go check it out and play with this feature yourself. And if you're already using Printify for your POD products, this workflow I showed you today is something you can start using right now to make your listings and ads look way more professional. If this video was helpful, do me a favor. Hit the like button, it helps the channel a lot. And if you want more content on print-on-demand, e-commerce tools, and ways to grow your online income, make sure you're subscribed because I post regularly. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.